Rhys and Waddah do what they really love for a living. They dance. Their dance company is called FUBUNATION. They're dedicated, and they've come pretty far together already. But what's it like being best friends and running all of this together?
What makes it difficult about working together is that we're two individuals with separate ideas. So sometimes we bump heads in terms of ideas, but we usually have a way of talking it out and finding the solution to every problem that we have.
Being good problem solvers is a key part of working together successfully.
I think the easiest thing about working together is that we are friends. I think it just makes it easier to be productive.
Their shared talent and creative understanding is clear in their work. Looking to the future, the guys want to expand their influence on the dance world and welcome a new wave of dancers.
Provide opportunities for the next generation coming after that.
Yeah, leave the ladder up for people to climb behind you, don't kick it down, you know?